future of pharma is arriving now. It's time to get on board or risk getting left behind. Now more than ever, it's unfeasible and even dangerous to rely on the projection models of old and the predictions of yesterday. Yet many in the industry have already set forecasts for the next 15 years. At KPMG, we believe that the pharma sector has reached a crucial tipping point, due in no small part to emerging and disruptive trends. As a result, these current revenue forecasts may quite simply be wrong. Fundamental power shifts are occurring across the healthcare value chain. The first is that pharmaceutical companies are no longer dictating market terms. Governments and insurance companies are facing mounting budget pressures and are questioning the traditional assumptions of how patients should be treated. As such, better drugs, better pills, and better medicine are no longer the order of the day. It's patient outcomes that have become the main measure of success. Secondly, advances in technology and new entrants in the sector have created a shift in funding from traditional treatment therapies to prevention, predictive diagnostics, and the development of real cures. Preventing cancer by removing birth defects. Predicting whether someone will be diagnosed with diabetes, finding a cure for Alzheimer's, and for heart disease, and of course for the common cold. Imagine what that could mean for the pharma industry, not to mention the people affected, who by and large are living longer and healthier lives. Finally, with the reduced demand for traditional products, price pressure is altering the sector in an unprecedented way, with major players revisiting their portfolio strategy. Many businesses are currently making changes, and we're already seeing a shift in focus to 3 new areas: pharma tech, genetics, and immunotherapy. But shifts in portfolio alone may prove to be incremental rather than fundamental to future success. More will still be required. To set the pharma industry on the right path, companies have to change from the ground up, and we expect 3 archetypes to emerge. The first is an active portfolio company, which buys and sells products and services based on their relative competitive position and rate of sales growth. By definition, this allows for flexibility and agility in a changing marketplace. The second is a virtual value chain orchestrator. Here, the company manages information and platforms rather than products. The idea is to collaborate with trusted partners through a virtual infrastructure in order to support patients potentially even from cradle to grave. And finally, there's the niche specialist. This company focuses on one specific therapeutic area or disease and adopts an end-to-end approach to prevention, treatment, and cure, delivering better patient outcomes throughout and overall. There's no question that change is happening right now. What we need to do is work together in order to prepare for it, adapt to it, and ultimately benefit from it. Now is the time to strategize on where and how you are best positioned to play. Contact us. KPMG strategy professionals can help you succeed.